Abusiama me wakwaba emfambra na Bema TV so ensema ekoso e wa be fontenta fidie kese no so me kire social media so no eno ebi na ekokuruchire na ye de aba betra na wonso hunu die ekoso edu bre bi se na ya na mempese me kasa ebe tenten na so me kasa bebre ma me fo mbonra be fontenta fidie kese no so na empenifo se woni tumo edi jaw na mamu nsesiwa ye ni enjaw hwede ekoso e wa be fontenta fidie kese no so wo hwe wi a comment section wo e ho e wo dia subscribe, like, and sign, share.
Former president and the leader of the main opposition, National Democratic Congress (NDC), John Dramani Mahama, and so said the Nura Ohunu, Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia, ne visi nua wadebeto Ghana for non so akasa e de afa ho. Yentie former president John Dramani Mahama.
Now all those who contributed to the mess are trying to run away as if they were not part of it. People have begun saying, oh, they were not in charge, they were not listening to them and all that. All of them, they inside. Jack Toronto and all his small brothers, all of them are part of the mess that we're going through. None of them can escape responsibility, none of them. Because they've all been a part of this. They all sat in cabinet together. They all took those decisions together. Anytime they were going to borrow from the Eurobond market, they approved it in cabinet. They sat in cabinet and approved it. In 6 years, you went and borrowed $13.5 billion and you did nothing with it. So today you can't come and tell us you were not part of it. All of them are part of the mess in which we find ourselves. And Ghanaians are going to send them packing for the hardship that they've inflicted on us.
We ankane mampanyini Yera John Dramani Mahama ena ono nso akasa no osi sesei die wo mo a edie awura ohaw ene amane kesie mu asei no wo mo ka kire yen se wo mu nim ho hwe na Jack Toronto yamaya na onini nu akuma former president John Dramani Mahama no ose Nana Ado Danko Akufo-Addo ene na bedi achie Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomi omunim hu bi enam wo nsa so esan se wo kwa akwaje bosen a e de to cabinet mamu nyina bobo hu mamu ditu mansa ne akwa akwaje sa abosen no te bosen bebira ya buru ni nyina no Nana Ado ene ninu yakuma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia omo nsa so ene namo a ama ya buru sa emosen no e dia goduru ba bia ye wo sesi a ye debt management no nti omo ka so omni mo hwe a omo boa nti Ghana fo beto ba tia won omo asesa omo niema e dia Kofi. Former president John Dramani Mahama also the no Dr. Santo Chiri de ne dia ba
listen loyalty is the Bawumia loyal. Well, the president is a better person to answer that.
Did he say be a nunti kura na ama president anko dwumadi no ase ana?
Oh, he didn't want to take the shine away from that Bawumia. Because now he is in the saddle. He's now a lame duck, president, which he doesn't want to believe.
Lame bag no so
yes, but you are. You see, because the president must be equally worried. A political strategy, I think he must be worried.
Because no nanka say president ewo ho na ensemo Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia kan no senke bia camera koto no so anka reaction be sen.
Of course. Nka ebia hey Abranti dey na work king. Hey, Ntisan man am na go abante. And I say the politics of the day. Well, let me give you the benefit of the doubt.
Okay. Finally, minority for say vice president pesa taxes na obobo so no emission tax, the betting tax, any other tax also oba obeyi di everyday e-levy no opeso yi free wa as vice president obetimi aba na womo ahye saade no ase ewo parliament na womo aye ho adwuma betimi possible.
Possible because you see as it stands now, even when he wins, it is not possible because you need more room to rake in more revenue. You are the IMF. Where that year through on electricity, it is a big problem for the government. How do they get that revenue block over 40 million or so? How are they going to get that money? So I am a original also. Why domestic debt exchange? Your friend is saying all the tax handle you have been control the Abenino. Any COVID tax, any now component. I am a state. Your debt is still unsustainable. So it is a bit nothing personal promises ABC and D. You need to fact check in based on revenue envelope and see whether it is doable, data wise. That is what we should be interrogating our politicians. At the end, this is an interview session, a very peripheral. At the Tensuani, we don't ask deep questions that they will have to back that with calculation and data. Calculation and data. If you say you are going to give flat rate of tax, what calculation have you done? How much is the nation going to lose? I'm going to start first. How much is the nation going to lose? This is that the traders, the industries have been complaining about. So you feel smart enough to let them feel, say, yes, hardy way. This is my vision. Please. It doesn't have a magic one. And the economy cannot drastically change from 2024 in 2025. Please.
Dr. Jonathan Asante Ochre, former president. Dr. Jonathan Asante Ochre, political analyst, Osanso a lecturer at University of Cape Coast, UCC, and I know Kwakobo and Komo. I say Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia Semo Bekano and Ra UPSA no. On trase Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia. Onyini ni ba ku sei. Onigidie ewunumu. Afi o say Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia eye ohufo. Eso oye coward. O dwane afri ade a owomu ho. Nesenka saa niema no enye ne senkoyi a economic mess na ewomu no. Enye ne nkoyi a wose ne nkwatwe no afri mu dadaada. Oda so tim epe kwan bi ayiniti afri saa economic mess no ase. Na ebeye den so obetwe no ho afri saa economic mess a ewomu obeka se ne nsanim onim ho hwe. Na eba ne sanso a na ese na mpanyin na adoda nkwa akufo ado na ofa no na ban mu no e na ese ezo o sum enema kogu mampanyin so se mampanyin ne German vice president o na abo man se na na ebo man no o me se ko pepa no asa akotro se da bi o na me kese na na ebo man no ho ban ne na na ebo man no tiem se Jama Kenneth Nana ya kuntunkununku finance minister One president na adoda nkwa Akufo-Addo na so pa che so mo na ebo man no na wo de unim ho hwe de mum ade papa ewo mu de ende woni je ho na boni a ewo mu ne de ende otwe ho efrase that is what Dr. Jonathan Asante Ochre chire yen minim Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia no a wutie no Johnny Ofe